Mastering exaggeration in jokes. Elevate your English language skills. Welcome to our English language learning video on mastering exaggeration in jokes. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of humor and explore how exaggeration can make jokes more entertaining and memorable. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will provide valuable insights to enhance your listening and speaking skills. So, let's get started. Exaggeration is a technique used in storytelling and jokes to amplify or overstate certain aspects of a situation, character, or event. It involves stretching the truth or adding emphasis for comedic effect. When used effectively, exaggeration can create humorous and engaging narratives that captivate your audience. Exaggeration often involves magnifying the size, quantity, intensity, or impact of something beyond what is reasonable or realistic. By pushing the boundaries of reality, it adds an element of surprise and amusement to jokes and stories. Let's take a closer look at how exaggeration works in jokes through a couple of examples. Example 1. A man goes fishing and catches a fish as big as a whale. He exclaims, "This fish was so enormous, I needed a forklift to lift it." In this joke, the fish's size is exaggerated to be as big as a whale. By mentioning the need for a forklift, the exaggeration becomes even more absurd, eliciting laughter from the listeners. Example 2. A student tells his teacher, "I had so much homework last night that it could fill up a dump truck." Here, the student exaggerates the amount of homework he had by comparing it to the capacity of a dump truck. This exaggeration adds humor to an otherwise mundane situation. Exaggeration offers several benefits when it comes to humor and storytelling. 1. Memorability. Exaggerated elements in jokes tend to stick in people's minds, making them more memorable and shareable. 2. Engagement. Exaggeration captures the attention of listeners and keeps them engaged by creating surprise and anticipation. 3. Emotional impact. The use of exaggeration can evoke strong emotional responses, such as laughter, amusement, or surprise, enhancing the overall comedic effect. 4. Cultural understanding. Understanding exaggeration in jokes helps you gain insights into the cultural context and humor preferences of English speakers. To effectively use exaggeration in jokes and storytelling, consider the following tips. 1. Contextualize. Ensure the exaggeration is relevant to the story or joke and fits within the narrative framework. 2. Delivery. Pay attention to your tone, facial expressions, and gestures to enhance the comedic effect of the exaggeration. 3. Timing. Practice the timing of your delivery to maximize the impact of the exaggeration. Pauses and build-ups can create suspense and heighten the humor. 4. Audience awareness. Understand your audience and their cultural background to tailor your exaggeration appropriately. 5. Balance. While exaggeration adds humor, be mindful not to overdo it. Striking a balance between reality and exaggeration is key to maintaining credibility and comedic impact. Congratulations on completing our English language learning video on mastering exaggeration in jokes. We hope you've gained valuable insights into how exaggeration can enhance your storytelling and joke-telling skills. Remember, humor is an essential aspect of language, and by mastering the art of exaggeration, you'll be able to engage and entertain your audience in English.